presenting the Ford 2016 F-150 XLT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include stability control, security remote anti-theft alarm system, phone wireless data link Bluetooth, roll stability control, impact sensor post-collision safety system, sync, satellite communications, airbags, front, dual, air conditioning, front, single zone and air conditioning, front. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.